So hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new videos guys. So our topic for today is how to change the Google Chrome background image. Okay, it is very easy. Once you see it, you won't need to watch it a second time. So let's quickly start the video. Alright. First you have to open Google Chrome here. After opening, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Look here. You will find an icon below. You need to click on it. After clicking, see, you will get an option called change theme. Okay, so you need to click on this change theme. After clicking, select the theme that you like. Alright, let me choose a theme and show you. After doing this, if you need to close it, your background image will be selected like this. So let me show you another option. Look here below. You'll find an option to change the color. So see, your color is changing. Okay, see, the side color is changing. Alright, so here is dark mode and light mode. You can select whichever you prefer here. So guys, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.